everybody! Today we are going to be doing my top 5 best starter cars that you guys can buy in Pixel Car Racer. These are the 5 cars that can definitely get you jump started. They will win you tournaments. One of the things I took into account for is customizability. I wanted to make sure that you guys can make these cars look really cool. Also, all these cars are under 50K. So again, they're really affordable, great starter cars. Time to bring me my money. The first car on our list will be the Nissan GT. Oh my god. The first car on our list is the Nissan GTR R32. Obviously, this car is... Oh!
That's why he's everything! That's why he's the GOAT!
Hi guys, I'm Shmee.
I'm just gonna buy some like super cheap items. Shoot, I should have bought these. Just buying some stuff. ECU, again, bam, buying stuff. Got Type R, we got the VX Forge, pretty cheap. Leveled out, we got a C-Class. C-Class is a dub. I really like these wheels. A lot of these wheels you can get for cheap. You also get a lot of wheels out of the crates, which is another way to make money in this game, is just sell your crates. Spillovers, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, you don't really need much. It's stuck at 4. Turn your 2-step launcher all the way up. I'm gonna do a tuner. This thing looks absolutely insane. Like, again, this stuff's just cosmetic. I'm just doing this so the car looks cooler. Obviously, if you can add the seats, go for it. But again, really just save up money for the more important things. Oh! This is the final.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
What you need to do, what you know about rolling down in the deep.
Do me a favor.
Shut your stupid milkshakes, take a big cheesy face, take truck driver, bad to be unemployed, the month, make it plastic fork, lamp post, SDT board, belt buckle, leg warmer, stubby sauce, cat, and fucking ass up.
Downshift to neutral, rev it all the way up, and then once it hits green, just press the up. Keep your foot on the pedal. This is just the easiest way to hit it. And you'll win pretty much every single race. Alright, our next car that we are going to buy, that I think is one of the best starting cars in the game, Evo 9. Like I said, we'll just name it Evo 9. All-wheel drive, under 50K. This is probably the cheapest car on the list. Very good starter car. And look, all you need is an exhaust, the intercooler, the better pistons if you want, and then ECU, turbo, drag slicks, and then I would say also coils, because coils make the car look way better as well. I'm gonna throw in like one of these ginormous wings. I'm thinking about going VX lip though. Ooh, I do kind of like this wide body kit though. Alright, so we'll go with the glossed white. Oh, I didn't even turn up the 2-step launcher. I totally forgot to. And we're beating times from the R32, and this car is only like 10 grand. I'm telling you, Evo 9 is such a W if you can get it. And it just blows away the other cars. It's about to probably give me a better time than the GTR, and I don't have the 2-step launcher on. Yep, 9.3, better than the GTR. So for our next car to buy, it's gonna be a close brother to the GTR R32, the GTR R33. I love the R33 a lot.
We do not care.
We're gonna try something different. We're gonna try and win the tournament with this car. Stock everything except for VX Racing 2-step, Nitto drag slicks, VX G-Lite coils, the single turbo, and then we could throw some wheels on there, but that doesn't change anything. You don't have to customize this. You can leave it as is like this, but I'm gonna customize it just to make it look cooler, because why not? There we go. All right, the tuner side for this color, I kind of want to do the midnight dawn. Yup, this. See what I'm saying? You don't even need the upgraded intercooler, the upgraded pistons, the upgraded... Yes, the time is way worse. The time is a whole second worse. But you don't, like, you won't have... You don't need pistons. And if you were to edit the tune too, you would definitely still beat the cart. All right, here we go. Final. Oops. Didn't upshift. Alright, let's go. There we go. Now this one's a little bit more expensive, obviously. You could do this with the Evo 9. We're going to be doing the Evo 10, 39K. Turbo that we have is this one. So if you were to build the car, we gotta put coils on. I'm sorry. I'm not dealing with that wheel fitment gap. So the coils are about like 10 grand also. So this is with no ECU. I'm thinking about it. Let's do it. Rocket Bunny the whole thing. Big spoiler, gang. Downshift to neutral. Rev up. Playing with the throttle at the end. Literally. Alright, for the last and final car, we're gonna switch it up. I'm not gonna lie, this last car is a little bit on the more expensive side. And that is the WRX STI. Now this is the car that I started out with. This is the car that I found when I found out that all-wheel drive rules. So this is, I'm gonna switch it up for this one. We're gonna put on some super expensive parts on this car just to show. Now obviously you can use the cheaper parts to win those, but I want to show you what kind of a monster this car can turn into, or these cars in general can turn into if you put on the expensive parts. So yeah, they can literally get up to, we're at R1 right now. We haven't put on everything. Turbo's on, you can throw NOS on there. I'm gonna edit the tune as well. Come on. Come on. Easy. 6.7. Let's go. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys want more information on how to gain more money in the game, go check out my other video, how to become a pixel car millionaire. The exact steps on what cars to buy, what parts to buy, how to basically become a millionaire in pixel car, how to get infinite money pretty quickly. So if you guys want to see any other top 5s in the future, let me know in the comments below. But that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. You stayed to the end, you're a stud. Peace.